Dear colleagues, for those of you who have not attended the eFundi integration of embedding a video recording the last 2 days, I have taken the liberty to make a very short video in which I explain to you how what the training was about and hopefully quickly also go about in integrating these videos into my eFundi site. So if there's some hiccups, please just bear with me. It's also the first time I'm doing it, but hopefully I can quickly show you how to do this. The files that you need handy is 2 files I will send with this video, or the link to the video, and this is the handout and the embed, how to embed the video step by step, which was handed out during the training, and then the handout in terms of it's just this video. See, there's the first hiccup. This video link to the Panopto site where all the videos are situated. Okay, so firstly what you need to do is open your browser and go to your eFundi site, which where you teach your distance students, or which you use to facilitate the content to your distance students, and then also go to the Panopto site. That you can do by just going to the distance at Potch, distance at NWU, and when I've already visited the site, so it will just pop up there, and go to that site, select downloads, and then select video resources, which will then take you to the URL site. However, I'm signed in now. If it's your first sign in, you can just press on sign in, and the username is education with a capital letter, and password is education with all small non-capitalized letters. You can sign in, and then this will direct you to the Panopto site. Okay, and that's the Panopto home website. Okay, there, and that's where all the videos are stored by the Unit for Open Distance Learning. Okay, if you go to your eFundi site, firstly, there's 2 components in order to integrate these video sites or the videos into your eFundi site. The first is to just make it easier, the whole video search easier for the students, not just for your video, of course, or your recording, but for all videos. And then you can go to this to site information. Now we're going to add another tool, so we select manage tools, scroll all the way down until you find web content, select web content and continue. This you can now rename to whichever you want. I will just rename mine, let's say UODL or interactive whiteboard recordings, and then we need to paste the site source. So that's where this Panopto site, which you have navigated to, comes in now. And just make sure you click on home to have the home site. Click on the address bar, which is highlighted, and then copy, control copy. Right click, you can right click and copy, or control and C for copying. Go back to your site, highlight everything and paste the link there, and then you can just say continue. Press continue and finish, and then it will just highlight in red that this is going to be added to your list on the of tabs on the left. So finish. And then if you look at your list of tabs, we can just search for that. There it is, interactive whiteboard recordings. If you click on that, these interactive whiteboard recordings, and then you will see the Panopto site on your eFundi site. Now you can search for your video by, let's say, module code space 111, for example, and then the students can also view all the NSSP 111 sites or videos that has been recorded, not just for 2019, but for the previous years as well. Okay, and then of course for any orientation, you want eFundi orientation, that will also be, you can also search that and tell your students to look out for the eFundi orientation. Okay, so that's the one way, that's the first part of integrating the video recordings, is by adding this tab on your left. Now, if you want to add your orientation session, or this will also be the same process for adding um, your any of your whiteboard sessions. I have a little tab here with all the information on how to do different things, your semester program, the action words, and so forth. So I've added another, by clicking on the plus sign there, you can then add another subpage, and then I've just added it as a button for module orientation. And now I'm going to try to add the video, my orientation video, to this module. So firstly, let's quickly navigate to my NSSP 111 orientation video, and that will be for 2019. So then it will open in a new tab. Okay, and then there's just a copyright protection there, and then it also starts there somewhere, not necessarily from the beginning. Okay, so now you have your video handy, and usually students will navigate up to here to download your video. And then they can just press this little arrow to download the video and watch it offline. Now let's embed that in our eFundi site. I'm back on my eFundi site with a new page or a new subpage, and now I'm going to add content and embed content on page. You can also add content links, but I have chosen to embed my contact links. Now in the handout, you can then also navigate to that link on one of the handouts to embed a video. This is the standard embed code for video recordings. Okay, so this is just a little bit of code, so you can also tell everybody that you can do coding, but it's more of copy and paste activity than actually writing the code. So you just copy this code. You will see there in red, insert video ID here, and I'm going to show you where that ID is. So you will see there's ID equals, and then we are going to copy in that link to your video everything behind the ID equals, and insert it in this text, the red text, replace the red text there. So after you've copied that, we can now paste it into that little area provided at a URL area provided as an embed code. And now this is the place which we are going to use to replace the your videos file. So let's go to my video that I've just navigated to, and then you can see in your address bar right above up to ID equals, and then everything from ID equals up to the end. Right click, copy that, and in your eFundi site back, you can highlight that insert video ID here. Make sure you don't leave out or a letter there, otherwise that will influence it, and we can paste it. And now you can see everything, all that whole code is now pasted into that ID. Okay, and then we can save. Let's hope it works. And there's a little video, and we save. Okay, so let's see. Okay, if we go to my info pages, then my module orientation bar, or button is there, and if you go onto that, the video immediately starts playing and or starts loading, and then they can watch the video on my site, on my eFundi site without navigating to. Okay, and then if they want to download it directly from your site, there's also a little download arrow that they can also use to download the video. Okay, hope it was helpful, and I think if you want to also embed a link which will not use as much space, you can also do that. Then you instead of adding a content link or embedding content on page, use the add content link with the same process, and then it will only be a link which you can rename with your different videos.